Hey you, trust you're doing well. Did I bring you nothing but excitement? I present to you the MAAHA Beach Resort. This resort is located on the shores of the Atlantic Ocean with expansive ecological landscape. The beach resort is practically surrounded by coconut trees, green floral gardens, and the evergreen Mazule River. It is located in the western part of Ghana, sharing borders with La Côte d'Ivoire. This resort is built and birthed on the oil and city country or city, which is the Takoradi city, making it the perfect ideal spot for all your vacation trips. This resort has a lot of things to offer. They offer you a party on a bus, guys. They offer you a 4-wheel vehicle with sound systems that can beat your heart to a dance. Now, if you want a party, don't worry no more. They have beautifully installed LED lights to take your party experience on a whole new level. They can welcome you with the spas right on the airport when you arrive in the Takoradi city. They bring you right to the resort and the party begins. The party begins right from where they pick you up. So they pick you up, you party till you get to the island. Yes, the resort has an island for all the folks who love their own private time away from the eyes of others. You can hop on the bus, join them, and then get to the Oyo City where the MAAHA Beach Resort is, and you are going to love your stay there. Are you thinking of a perfect venue for all your weddings, conferences, parties, meetings? Think no further. The resort has a planning team to help you plan all your events in on the bus. They can help you plan your event. Wedding on the bus, conferences in the bus, meetings and parties on the bus. They are there for you. They can wreck you on their 4-wheel bus, and you would love it there. There's nothing to experience other than this dream. Rejuvenate your mind with their smoothing spa sections. Calm your nerves inside their 4 infinity swimming pools. They have beautiful dream and honeymoon packages for all guests planning on staying for a long time, and other equally beautiful packages of all pocket sizes. The resort has a large tennis court for keen sport lovers. The MAAHA Beach Resort, they serve you with delicious delicacies from local dishes such as special acheke. I don't want to speak of special acheke. They are the only resort that serves you with a specialty. Your specialty is the acheke. If you don't have any idea what the acheke is, it is a local meal eaten by the people of Nzema, the local suburb in Ghana, and it is to die for meal. You will enjoy their Italian lasagna and French dishes. To their organic vegetable directly from their gardens. This is because they consider the health and general well-being of their consumers. The MAAHA Beach Resort is where you are supposed to be in this 2023, where everything is really stressful and people are really tired of the hustle and bustle of the stresses of the city. Get yourself, you and your family, hop on your bus, get to the MAAHA Beach Resort, plan your weddings, organize your events on the evergreen garden. You will love it. Like and subscribe for more.